Hi, welcome to the third day of our 31 days journey. In case you're just joining us, we are on a 31 days pronunciation journey. So today we're going to be working with these sounds, the act and the act. Act, act. Like we did previously, the video before this one, we actually worked on it alphabetically, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. And we're going to be adding other words before or after it to get a word. So let's dive right into it. Right here we have the ECT and the ACT. I have E right here and I have A, and they are the vowel sound. We still have the IOU to make it 5. So basically we normally work with the consonants alone, except when a particular vowel sound is needed. All right, so let's see what we have today. The first letter we're going to be working with is the letter B. Becked. This is becked. We have sect, and right here we're going to have backed. This is backed, and we have cacked. Sect, becked, backed, cacked. Okay, so we have the D. This is decked, dacked. Are we together? We have becked, sect, decked, backed, cacked, dacked. All right, we move on. We have the F. Fecked, fact. We have the G. Ject, gacked, ject, gacked. Okay, we have the H. Hecked, hacked, hecked, hacked. Okay, we have becked, sect, decked, fecked, ject, hecked. Becked, sect, decked, fecked, ject, hecked. This is ACT. We have backed, cacked, dacked, fact, gacked, hacked. Okay, baka da fa ga ha. Did you get that? Baka da fa ga ha. Backed, cacked, dacked, fact, gacked, hacked. All right, so we move on. After H we have J. We have ject, jacked, 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 jacked. The next one we have K. Kecked, cacked. K. We have kecked, cacked, kecked, cacked. So we move down to the L. We have the L, we have the lect, we have the lacked, lect and lacked, lect, lacked. We move on. So after L we have M. We have mecked, mecked, macked, mecked, macked. We have the N. We have neck, necked. We have knacked, necked, knacked. After N we have O, then we have P, we have pecked, we have packed. Okay, pecked, packed. And after P we have Q, we have quacked, quacked, and we have quacked, quacked. After Q we have the R. We have wrecked. This is wrecked. And we have racked, racked. Okay, wrecked, racked, quacked, quacked. Okay, so we move on. So after R we have X. We have the sect, and we have sacked, sacked, sect, sacked, sect, sacked. So after X we have the T. We have the tecked, tecked, and we have tacked, This is tect. This is tact. Next one is the V. We have the vect and we have the vact. This is vact. This is vect. Vect, vact. Vect, vact. So after V we have W, we have the X, we have the Y, we have the Z. Okay, so we have the wek. This is wekt, wekt, and we have the whacked. Whacked, we have the sect, sect, and we have the zact, zact, sect, zact, zect, zact. We have the yekt, yekt, we have the yacked, yekt, yacked. We have the zect, we have the zact, zect, zact, zect, zact. Okay, so let's go over it. We have bect, sect, dect, fect, ject, hect, ject, kect, lect, mect, nect, pect, quect, lect, sect, tect, vect, wect, sext, yext, zect. Okay, again, bect, sect, dect, fect, ject, hect, ject, kect, lect, mect, nect, pect, quect, rect, sect, tect, vect, wect, sext, yext, yect, zect. So we have here backed, cacked, ducked, fact, gacked, hacked, jacked, cacked, lacked, macked, knacked, packed, quacked, racked, sacked, tacked, vacked, whacked, saxed, yacked, zacked. Okay, again, backed, cacked, ducked, fact, gacked, hacked, jacked, cacked, lacked, macked, knacked, packed, quacked, quacked, racked, sacked, tacked, vacked, whacked, zacked, yacked, zacked, yacked, zacked, backed, cacked, ducked, fact, gacked, hacked, jacked, cacked, lacked, macked, knacked, packed, quacked, racked, sacked, tacked, vacked, whacked, saxed, yacked, zacked. Okay, so this is the sounds we are able to get alphabetically with the ect and act. Ect, act. Okay, so let's see the word probably we can get from the combination that has these sounds. Okay, so we have the first and foremost one. I can have intact, intact, intact. This is tact, intact. Okay, instinct, intact, insect, intact, insect. Okay, I have again project, project, protect, project, protect, project, project, protect, lector, lector, factor, lector, factor, lect, fact, lector, factor. Okay, let's see another one. Inspector, dictator, inspector, pector, dector, inspector, inspector, dictator, inspector, dictator, defect, 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 and we can have perfect, defect, perfect, defect, perfect. Okay, so let's see another one. Injection, infant, injection, infant, injection, infant, injection, infant. Okay, again we can have subject and projector. Okay, so we have subject, projector, projector. Okay, and have again factual, factual, factual director, factual director. Okay, so we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Another one we can have intellectual, intellectual, we can have lecture, lecture, intellectual, lecture, intellectual, lecture. Okay, okay, so let's see. We have intact, intact, project, project, lector, lector, inspector, inspector, defect, defect, injection, injection, subject, subject, factual, factual, intellectual, insect, insect, protect, protect, factor, factor, dictator, dictator, perfect, perfect, infant, infant, projector, projector, director, director, lecture, lecture. So you can see how the sounds are being pronounced right there. So it is very important that you master these sounds. All the sounds we are studying so far is very important because they can actually appear at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end of a word. Okay, so let's recite it one more time again. We have becked, sect, decked, fecked, ject, hecked, ject, kecked, lecked, mecked, necked, pecked, quacked, wrecked, sect, decked, vecked, wecked, sexed, yecked, zect. And we have here backed, cacked, dacked, fact, gacked, hacked, jacked, cacked, lacked, macked, knacked, packed, quacked, racked, sacked, tacked, vacked, whacked, sacked, yacked, zacked. Okay, so this is what we have for today's lesson, and I actually believe you got something out of today's lesson. At least right now, you can formulate 2, 3, 4, 5 words that contains these sounds. I know. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you see me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. Right here we learn how to read, write, and speak, and you can actually join this family if you love what we do simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button. In that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being amazing. Thank you for stopping by today. Don't forget, we are on 31 days pronunciation journey, and this is what we have for today. So see you same time tomorrow by God's grace. Take care of yourself and bye for now.